Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. All of you welcome to our Arabic class. Okay. In last class we discussed about the letter Dal. Okay. Today we are going to study the next words. Start with Dal. Last class we studied the words Dajajatun, Deekun, Dubbun, Dafun, Dawa'un, Dalwun. Okay. Dajajatun means hen. Deekun means cock. Dubbun means beer. Dafun means tambourine. Dawa'un means medicine. Dalwun means bucket. Okay. The next word, listen here. Can you see? Read the word. Read the word. Yes. Dajinun. Dajinun. Dajinun means domestic. Dajinun means domestic. Okay. All of you read the word Dajinun. Dajinun means domestic. Okay. Dajinun, domestic. Okay. The next one. Read the word. Read the word. All of you read. The Avatun. The Avatun. The Avatun. The Avatun. The Avatun. The Avatun means invitation. The Avatun means invitation. Okay. The Avatun means invitation. What is the meaning of Dajinun? Say, what is the meaning of Dajinun? Yes, Dajinun means domestic. The Avatun means invitation. Okay. The next one. What is that? Read the word. Read the word. Yes, Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun means minute. Daqiqatun means minute. Okay. Daqiqatun, minute. Read Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun means minute. Clear? Okay. The next one. Can you see? Dawatun. Dawatun. Dawatun means ink pot. Dawatun means ink pot. Okay. Dawatun. Dawatun means ink pot. Okay. Read the word. All of you read. Yes. Dawatun, ink pot. Okay. The next one. Read the word. Duhanun. Duhanun. Duhanun means smoke. Duhanun. Duhanun. Duhanun means smoke. Duhanun means smoke. Okay. Duhanun, smoke. Then read the word. Read. Dalilun. 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 What is the meaning of Dalilun? Dalilun means guide or directory. Guide or directory. Okay. Dalilun. Dalilun. Dalilun means guide or directory. Okay. Okay. The last one. This is a new word in this chapter. Read the word. Dulabun. 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 Dulabun means wheel. Dulabun means wheel. What is the meaning of Dulabun? Dulabun means wheel. Okay. Dulabun means wheel. Okay. Dulabun, wheel. How can write these words? Listen here. The first one, dajinun. Dajinun. Dajinun means domestic. Dajinun. Da, alif, ji, nun. Da-ji-nun. Dajinun. Dajinun means domestic. Dajinun means domestic. Read. Dajinun, domestic. Dajinun, domestic. Okay. The next one, what is that? What is the next word? Yes. Da'awatun. Da'awatun. Da'awatun means invitation. Da'awatun means invitation. Da'awatun. Da'awatun means, what is the meaning? Da'awatun means invitation. Da'awatun means invitation. Okay. Da'awatun means invitation. Da'awatun. Da'awatun. Dal, ain, vav, ta. Da'awatun. Read the word. All of you read it. Da'awatun. Da'awatun means invitation. Dajinun means domestic. Da'awatun means invitation. Clear? Okay. The next word, daqiqatun. Daqiqatun. What is the meaning of daqiqatun? Daqiqatun means minute. Daqiqatun means minute. Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun means what is the meaning? Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun means minute. Daqiqatun means minute. Daqiqatun means minute. Read it. Daqiqatun. Daqiqatun means minute. Okay. Dajinun means domestic. Da'awatun means invitation. Daqiqatun means minute. Okay. The next word is dawatun. Dawatun. Dawatun means ink pot. Dawatun means ink pot. Okay. Dawatun. Dawatun. Dawatun means ink pot. Dawatun means ink pot. Okay. Dawatun. Dawatun. Dal, vav, alif, ta. Dawatun means ink pot. All of you read it. Dawatun. Dawatun. Dawatun means ink pot. Okay. The next word is duhanun. Duhanun. Duhanun means smoke. Duhanun means smoke. Duhanun. Duhanun means smoke. Duhanun. 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 Duhanun means smoke. Duhanun. 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 Duhanun means smoke. Okay. Duhanun means smoke. The next one, dalilun. Dalilun. Dalilun means guide or directory. Dalilun means guide or directory. Dalilun. Dalilun. Guide or directory. Dalilun means guide or directory. Listen here. The next one, name the pictures. Some pictures are there. Okay. The first one, that is a picture of wheel. That is a picture of wheel. How can say in Arabic? What is the Arabic name of wheel? Dulabun. Dulabun. The first one is Dulabun. Listen here. The first one, Dulabun. Dulabun means wheel. Dulabun means wheel. Okay, the first picture is wheel. All of you write in your textbook below the picture of wheel, Dulabun. Okay, Dulabun. The next one, the next picture is medicine. Medicine. The next picture is medicine. The Arabic name of medicine is Dawaun. Dawaun. Okay, we studied that. What is the word? Dawaun. Dawaun means medicine. Dawaun. The second picture, Arabic word Dawaun. Dawaun. All of you write in your textbook. The second picture, Dawaun. Dawaun means medicine. Dawaun. Okay. The next one, that is a house. That is a picture of house. The Arabic name of house is Darun. Darun. Okay. Darun means house. Darun. The third one, Darun. Darun. Darun means house. The third picture is picture of house. The Arabic name is Darun. Okay, all of you write in your textbook Darun. The next one, that is a picture of inkpot. That is a picture of inkpot. Okay, the Arabic name of inkpot is, what is? Yes, Dawatun. Dawatun is the Arabic name of inkpot. Dawatun. Dawatun. Dawatun inkpot. Okay, Dawatun. Dawatun inkpot. The Arabic name of inkpot is Dawatun. The next one, that is a picture of beer. That is a picture of beer. Okay. The Arabic name of beer is Dubbun. Dubbun. The Arabic name of beer is Dubbun. Dubbun means beer. The fifth one, Dubbun. Dubbun. Dubbun means beer. Okay. Dubbun means beer. The next picture is, that is a picture of hen. That is a picture of hen. Okay. The Arabic name of hen is Dikun. Dikun. Okay. The Arabic name of hen is Dikun. Dikun. The next one, Dikun. Dikun. The sixth one, Dikun. Dikun means hen. Dikun means hen. Okay. The next one, that is a picture of the picture is Deekun. The sixth picture is Deekun. Deekun means cock. Deekun means cock. The sixth picture is Deekun. Deekun means cock. Deekun means cock. Okay. Deekun means cock. The next picture is Dajajatun. Dajajatun. Dajajatun means hen. Dajajatun means hen. What is the meaning of Dajajatun? Dajajatun means hen. Deekun means cock. Okay. Deekun means cock. Dajajatun means hen. The next picture is Dajajatun. All of you write in your textbook Dajajatun. Dajajatun means hen. Okay. Okay. The next picture is, that is a picture of bucket. That is a picture of bucket. The Arabic name of bucket is Dalwun. The Arabic name of bucket is Dalwun. Dalwun means bucket. The last picture is the picture of bucket. Okay, the Arabic name is Dalwun. Dalwun means bucket. Okay, all of you write in your textbook below the picture these words: Dulabun, wheel; Dawaun, medicine; Darun, house; Dawatun, ink pot; Dubun, beer; Deekun, cock; Dajajatun, hen; Dalwun, bucket. Clear? Okay. The next letter is Dal. Dal. Okay. We are going to study the next letter. Dal. We studied now the letter Dal. Next we are going to study the letter Dal. Okay. Dal with dot, it pronounced Dal. Okay. Some words start with the letter Dal. Listen here. Can you see? What is this? Yes, this is tail. This is tail. Okay. The Arabic name of tail is Dhanabun. Dhanabun. Dhanabun means tail. Dhanabun means tail. Okay. The next one, Dhiraun. Dhiraun. Dhiraun means arm. Dhiraun means arm. This is arm. Okay. Dhiraun means arm. Dhiraun means arm. The next one, Dhuratun. Dhuratun. Dhuratun means maize. Dhuratun means maize. Okay. Dhuratun means maize. The first one, Dhanabun. Dhanabun means tail. Dhiraun means arm. Dhuratun means maize. Okay. How can I write these words? The first one, Dhanabun. 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 Dhanabun means tail. Dhanabun means tail. Dhanabun means tail. Okay, Dhanabun. Dhanabun means tail. The next one, Dhiraun. 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 Dhira'un. What is the meaning of dhira'un? Dhira'un means arm. Dhira'un means arm. Okay. Dhira'un. All of you read it. Dhira'un. Dhira'un. Dhal, ra, alif, ain. Dhira'un. Dhira'un means arm. Okay. Dhanabun means tail. Dhira'un means arm. Okay. The next one, dhuratun. Dhuratun. Dhuratun means maize. Dhuratun means maize. Dhuratun. Dhuratun means maize. Dhuratun. Dhuratun means maize. Dhanabun means tail. Dhira'un means arm. Dhuratun means maize. Okay. Okay. The next word is dhi'bun. Dhi'bun. Dhi'bun means wolf. Dhi'bun means wolf. Dhi'bun. How can I write? Dhi'bun. Dhi'bun means wolf. Dhi'bun. 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 Dhi'bun means wolf. Dhanabun means tail. Dhira'un means arm. Dhuratun means maize. Dhi'bun means wolf. Okay. Dhanabun, dhira'un, dhuratun, dhi'bun. The next word is dhakiyun. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun. Okay. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Okay. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhanabun means tail. Dhira'un means arm. Dhuratun means maize. Dhi'bun means wolf. Dhi'bun means wolf. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Dhakiyun means intelligent. Okay. The next one, dhaukun. Dhaukun. Dhaukun means taste. Dhaukun means taste. Okay. Dhaukun means taste. Dhaukun. Dhaukun means taste. Dhaukun means taste. Dhaukun. Dhaukun. Dhaukun means taste. Dhanabun means tail. Dhira'un means arm. Dhuratun means maize. Dhi'bun wolf. Dhakiyun intelligent. Dhaukun taste. Okay. Dhaukun taste. Okay. The next one. Can you see the picture? What is this? Yes, this is fly. This is fly. The Arabic name of fly is dhubabun. Dhubabun. Dhubabun means fly. Dhubabun. Dubabun. Dubabun means fly. Dubabun. Dubabun means fly. Dubabun. Dubabun means fly. Okay. Dubabun means fly. Dhanabun, dhira'un, dhuratun, dhi'bun, dhakiyun, daukun, dubabun. Okay. Clear? The next one, dhimmatun. Dhimmatun. Dhimmatun means protection. Dhimmatun means protection. Dhimmatun. Dhimmatun. Dhimmatun means protection. Dhimmatun means protection. Okay. Dhimmatun means Dhimmatun. Dhimmatun means protection. Okay. The next word is Dhullun. Dhullun. Dhullun means humiliation. Dhullun means humiliation. Dhullun. Dhullun. Dhullun means humiliation. Dhullun means humiliation. Okay. Dhimmatun means protection. Dhullun means humiliation. Okay. Dhullun means humiliation. Then dhahabun. Dhahabun. Dhahabun means gold. Dhahabun means gold. Dhahabun. Dhahabun means gold. Dhahabun. Dhahabun. Dhahabun means gold. Dhahabun means gold. Okay. Dhahabun, gold. The next word is dhihnun. Dhihnun. Dhihnun means mind. Dhihnun means mind. Dhihnun. Dhihnun. Dhihnun means mind. Dhihnun means mind. Dhihnun. Dhihnun means mind. Okay. The last word is dharratun. Dharratun. Dharratun means atom. Dharratun means atom. Dharratun. Dharratun means atom. Okay. Dharratun. Dharratun. Dharratun means atom. The first one is dhanabun, tail, dhira'un, arm, dhuratun, mace, dhi'bun, wolf, dhakiyun, intelligent, daukun, taste, dhubabun, fly, dhimmatun, protection, dhullun, humiliation, dhahabun, gold, dhihnun, mind, dharratun, atom. Okay. Okay. Today we studied the letters the and the dal and dal. Okay. Listen here. Today we studied the letter dal and dal. Okay. We studied the letter dal and dal. Okay. The dal start with some words. We studied dajajatun, dikun, dubbun, dafun, dawaun, dalvun, dajinun, dawatun, dakikatun, dawatun, duhanun, dalilun. Okay, all of you take your textbook, page number 42. Okay, I read the words, all of you listen here. The first one, dajajatun, hen, deekun, cock, dubbun, beer, dafun, tambourine, dafun, tambourine, dawaun, medicine, dalvun, bucket, dajinun, domestic, davatun, invitation, dakikatun, minute, dawatun, inkpot, duhanun, smoke, dalilun, guide or directory. Okay, these words we studied the letter da. Okay, then the next letter ral. Ral. Okay, some words start with ral. Listen here, page number 45. The first one, zanabun. Zanabun means tail. Ziraun. Ziraun means arm. Zuratun. Zuratun means mace. Dhi'bun. Dhi'bun means wolf. Zakiyun. Zakiyun means intelligent. Raukun. Raukun means taste. Dhubabun. Dhubabun means fly. Dhimmatun. Dhimmatun means protection. Dhullun. Dhullun means humiliation. Dhahabun. Dhahabun means gold. Dhihnun. Dhihnun means mind. The last one, dharratun. Dharratun means atom. Okay, today we studied the letter dal and zal. Dal and zal. Dal dot with zal, the letter pronounced zal. Okay, this the letter da, dal. This is the letter zal. The letter da we put dot, it pronounced ra. Ra. Okay. For example of dal is zanabun. Zanabun. For example of dal is deekun. Dajajatun. Okay. Okay. All of you write these words and their meanings in your notebook. Today wind up our class. See you on next class. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.